Got your Pipedrive account set up and ready to go? Great. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add leads in Pipedrive so you can start tracking potential customers and organizing your sales process effectively. First, log into your Pipedrive account and wait for the dashboard to load. From the main menu, locate the Leads section. Next, click on Leads to open your Leads inbox. This is where you'll manage potential customers before converting them into active deals. Now click the Add Lead button. A form will appear where you can enter information about your new lead, including their name, company, phone number, email address, and any notes you want to save. Fill out as much information as possible. The more details you add, the easier it will be to follow up and manage your sales opportunities later. Once you've entered the necessary details, click Save. Your new lead will now appear in the Leads inbox, ready for future follow-ups and qualification. When a lead becomes a real sales opportunity, you can convert it into a deal. Open the lead record and choose the option to convert or create a deal from that lead. You can also use labels, filters, and notes to keep your leads organized. This makes it easier to prioritize prospects and track communication history, and that's how to add leads in Pipedrive. So once you start building your lead database, you'll be able to track opportunities more efficiently and improve your sales workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.